So something to consider when we're talking about aeration and overseed is the depth of the core aeration plug. So typically I like to see anywhere from 1.5 to 2 inches, maybe 2.5 at max. Any deeper than that and I start to feel that the grass seed becomes buried, there is a time and a place for that if we have extreme compaction and we really want to loosen the soil. Any less or any lower than that, and you really want to consider, are we doing a true service? Might we want to think about a slice seeding? This machine that I'm standing on here has the ability to really put a lot of pressure into the cores, and that's really great for pulling consistent cores. As we start to look at some of the smaller ones, which we'll typically use for areas that are difficult to get into, that doesn't have as much capacity, so we do have to work a little harder to get those cores. Something to consider is, if someone is doing an aeration with that, we do want to make sure that they're getting a deep enough core so that it is effective. And if not, might we want to use the slice seeder, or what do we need to do to accomplish that deeper core? And there are times where it's not possible around trees where there's a lot of tree roots or there's a lot of stone, but we want to do our best, and that's going to ultimately reflect on how the final product looks.